This is a brief demonstration of the night star, the 3D-printed night star and sensorial lamp. Okay, when it started, it starts in sweep mode. It is a sweep mode where the lamp will sweep for around all the colors of the rainbow. You can long press the select button to freeze the lamp in a specific color, for example this. So it is freeze now in this in the red color. If you long press the button, you unfreeze this, and you can the lamp will change colors. If you short press the button to change to the next mode, this is the white mode. If you long press in this mode, the lamp will dim and increase the luminosity, the intensity of the light. Okay, and if you short press the button, you change to sensorial mode. So if you speak louder, for example, the color will change to red and yellow colors, and if you speak softly, the color will stay in blue.